Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your project or Power BI project to your GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in this video, we're just going to follow this Microsoft Learning Center article here and here how you can connect to a GitHub repo with Power BI. And basically all you will be needing like to have already like your GitHub. So those are just prerequisites. You will be needing like to have the app of GitHub. So basically in the Power BI, you will be needing like to go to apps and you can get your apps and basically install GitHub. So basically, by getting GitHub, it will add a connector to your account. So after that, you will be able like to use it after the installing, of course. And as you can see, by clicking on the app after you install it, it will like show you to connect your data. And after that, you will be needing like to connect your GitHub. So as you can see in the connect dialog, you will need to enter the name uh, to enter the repository URL. And after that, you will be able like to go next and basically you will choose like the authentication method and you click on sign in and connect and of course you will have your GitHub that will be connected and then you will be able to start like choosing which workspace that you would like and you create a workspace on your Power BI and as you can see now it has connected and those are just some how you can like ask questions etc. So basically this is how you can connect your GitHub repository to your Power BI. Thank you for watching and see you in next time.